Today we're gonna pack up and go on vacation, so we're gonna try to pack the car as efficiently as possible and show you how to maximize the space in the trunk. Now, it's gonna be great. Packing stuff sucks, it never fits, but we're gonna do it. So what we have is to put all of this into that. So this into that. But I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that out and use it as a template and put all of this stuff on it and then just put it in there. What could possibly go wrong? Let's move some of this out of the way. And we're going to take this out. And we're going to put it right here. Now ideally, this should be really simple. We put everything on the trunk mat, it should fit in the trunk. Hopefully. If you didn't notice, I still got my floors in there. They look good. Alright, so here's the plan. We're going to stuff this right there. This there. This on top. Leave these here. So technically, and by the way, that was like record timing. That was real time. That was good. Now that should fit. I know the cooler will fit in there height-wise because I put it in there before. Let's just put it in there. Alright, so we're gonna put this stuff back down. Yeah, so we're gonna move that around, get this out of the way, this out of the way, and we're just gonna start putting stuff in. Alright, so we're gonna put the cooler in first. So we'll pack that in there. Now, everything else has to go. So, we'll start with the bottom here. We'll get this little thing, whatever that is. And now we just gotta piece everything together. So like this goes here, this goes there, this goes there, this thing goes there, this blanket goes there, and we're gonna throw this blanket like right there, and we're done. I told you it would all fit. So, can't see me over here. Yeah. Hey, there you are. So, I hope that was a little entertaining. I didn't have a whole lot to do today because we are going on vacation for a while, and we're going to take the Focus. So, we had to pack up like 4 people's worth of stuff for 4 days. Now, that's like the minimum amount of stuff, so I don't recommend taking this on trips because, one, the seats, they suck. They're not that comfortable for long trips. But I hope you guys liked the video. I have some more coming up next week. But like I said, if you've been around for a little while, thanks for sticking around. If you're new, we're going to try and do some really cool stuff with this. It's going to be slow because we're on a budget. We're trying to work some car parts in here and there, but if you stick around, I appreciate it. We'll see you guys next time.